Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful ERP Next customization that allows you to print bulk QR code stickers directly from a completed work order. The stickers automatically include the item name, serial number, batch number, and QR code, and everything can be printed in a single click. No manual selection of serial numbers, no opening records one by one, no repetitive printing process. Let's see how this solution works. In our example, we have a finished product called Apple 2026 MacBook Pro. For this item, both serial number and batch number tracking are enabled. Whenever production is completed through a work order, ERP Next automatically generates the corresponding serial numbers and batch information. The challenge we faced was simple. After production is completed, the user needs to print QR code stickers for all produced items. If 100 serial numbers are generated, printing them individually becomes a time-consuming process. To solve this problem, we created a one-click QR sticker printing solution directly from the work order. Let's understand the architecture behind this implementation. The entire solution is built using three components. First, a custom print format. Second, a server script. And third, a client script. All three components work together to generate and print the stickers automatically. Let's start with the print format. We created a custom print format on the serial number doc type. The reason for choosing the serial number doc type is that it already contains all the information required for printing. This includes the item details, serial number, and batch number. The sticker layout is designed exactly as required by the business. Whenever a serial number record is printed, it automatically displays all the necessary information in a compact sticker format. Next comes the server script. The server script acts as the back-end processing layer. Its responsibility is to validate the work order and fetch all serial numbers generated from that specific work order. This ensures that only relevant serial numbers are selected for printing. The script also retrieves the associated batch number information and performs any required validation before returning the data. Think of the server script as a secure API that provides the exact list of serial numbers that need to be printed. Now let's move to the client script. Inside the work order form, we added a custom button called Print QR. Whenever the work order status becomes completed, this button becomes available. When the user clicks the button, the client script calls the server script and sends the current work order number as a parameter. The server script then returns all generated serial numbers associated with that work order. Once the serial numbers are received, the client script dynamically creates the print request. Instead of manually opening each serial number record, the script automatically invokes the custom print format for all returned serial numbers. As a result, ERP Next prepares all QR code stickers in a single print operation. The user simply clicks the button and all stickers are ready for printing. This approach offers several advantages. First, it eliminates manual effort. Second, it reduces printing mistakes. Third, it ensures that only serial numbers produced from the selected work order are printed. And most importantly, it saves a significant amount of time on the shop floor. Whether you are manufacturing electronics, cables, automotive components, machinery, or any serial-controlled products, this solution can be adapted easily. To summarize, we created a custom print format on the serial number doc type. We developed a server script to fetch and validate serial numbers generated from the work order. And finally, we added a client script with a custom print QR button that connects everything together and enables one-click bulk printing. The result is a fully automated QR code sticker printing system inside ERP Next. If you found this implementation useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other ERP Next users. Also, let me know in the comments if you'd like a detailed code walkthrough of the print format, server script, and client script used in this solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ERP Next tutorial.